mother, and syempre, dapat laging masaya si Chick. Si Gary. Okay lang, malungkot ka. Pero, yeah, we love you both and we miss you. Sana pagbalik nyo rito sa California, may maliit na chick. O kaya, hindi, maliit na chick na lang. Huwag na maliit na Gary. Maliit na chick na lang.
Gary and Chick, let that be the center of your marriage.
What?
Naunahan ako! Naunahan ako!
Love and respect each other.
Kaya ako mag-ship.
No, I prioritize yung family niyo. Alam ko yung palagi tayong umiinom pero ngayon hindi mo rin prioritize yung family.
Hi Gary and Michelle, congratulations on your upcoming wedding. I wish I could be there, but I'll be there as well, that's for sure. Anyways, I just want to wish you both a happy and blessed marriage. I'm proud of the both of you.
Yung love nyo, strengthen yung relationship as a married couple. Tapos sigurado yung daan sa marriage life, basta ano siya, uncertain, pero sigurado yun na punong-puno ng love at laughter. The journey has just begun, Gary.
Natututo pa rin ako. Kaya each day, kung ano yung nangyayari sa buhay, natututo ako. Ganun din sa inyo, habang patas ng kasal habang yung pagsasama nyo doon nyo natututunan kung ano kailangan nyo gawin. At saka constant communication, yun lang, lagi kayong may cellphone dapat.
We want to congratulate you on this special occasion of your wedding. We wish we could be there in person. You guys were such a special part of our wedding and all the sacrifice that you made to make our day so special and helping us with so many details, especially on the day of, and making sure that all the furniture got set up so we could have our reception. So you were so special to us, and we hope that you have a wonderful, special and memorable wedding day, and we send all our love and prayers to you.
Cool. You're greeting too? Greeting them too?
By the way, this is Francis.
And he wants to wish you a special wedding day too. And thank you for helping Mom and Dad on their wedding day.
Okay, bye. Peace out.
Good luck sa inyo, and ang advice ko lang sa inyo is put God in the center of your relationship.
Grabe yun. Hindi siya nagiginig.
Same.
Dito.
Mga busko dyan sa mangungoke talaga kayo.
Kilala niyo na yung isa't isa, matagal na kayo, pero you know, during the course ng marriage niyo, of course, mag-aaway pa rin kayo, hindi mawawala yun. Just stay stronger and always pray and trust in God.
Para hindi maging boring yung marriage, dapat mag-isip ng something special. Everyday kung pwede. Surprise Chick kung pwede. Or Chick surprise Gary sometimes lang. Huwag everyday. Once a year. Once a year. Pero si Gary dapat, lagi.
Hi, Tito. Hi, Tita. Congratulations. Happy New Year. Hi, Tito. Hi, Tita. Congratulations. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Hi, Chick and Gary. We wish you all the best and congratulations to your upcoming wedding. And God bless.
Congratulations and best wishes to you. Bye. Bless you both.
Hi, Chicken, E-Boy, We miss your egg pie.
And wala na ako kasabay kumanta ng party time.
time.
Okay lang. Tuwing kakain naman kami ng lechon.
Lechon.
Malala kita. Hindi pa rin kita mamimiss.
Congratulations, Chicken G-Boy.
Chicken G-Boy. Have fun.
Bye, God bless.
God
We
bless.
miss you. Dalaw kayo soon.
Just the thought of you can drive me wild. Oh, you make me smile. You make me smile. Oh, you make me smile. You make me smile. Oh, you make me smile.